Okay, this is going to be a quick video, but I just wanted to show you a neat idea from the Dollar Tree that you can make some little Christmas decorations. And they're like little snow globes. So this is like the easiest, fastest thing I've ever made. So first thing you need is these little jars at the Dollar Tree, and they kind of have an odd shape, right? So you need one of these. You need the nautical rope that you can get at the Dollar Tree. You need the fake snow that you can get at the Dollar Tree. So I would say like this, right? And then you need these little trees, little miniature trees that you can get at the Dollar Tree, because you need the smaller one, right? So all you need, and a glue gun. So you just unscrew the top, you glue the tree to the actual top, and then you put the snow in. So like when I glue it on, I put the snow in like this, right? So it doesn't get everywhere. And then I screw my top in and then turn it over, and then there you go. And then I just took the nautical rope, can't talk today, and I twisted it around the bottom to kind of give it that country look. And there you go. And I'm probably gonna add one more piece down there. And there you go. You have some rustic snow globes, all from the Dollar Tree. So let's see. The rope I still have left over from, right? So that's not even $1. Each jar's $1. The snow is $1. And then the trees. So like both of these are like $3. How cool is that? So just a neat idea. And this is just a quick video. I'm going to have a lot more DIYs on kind of the rustic Christmas look, because I'm in love with Fixer Upper and Chip and Joanna Gaines, and so I try to copy her look, but of course on a Dollar Tree budget. Alright, so thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please hit the like button, and please subscribe so you can see the rest of my DIY Christmas decor. Thank you so much.